If you're looking to boost your lead generation and streamline your sales process, learning how to use Apollo.io's lead scoring features is a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to leverage this powerful tool for better targeted outreach and smarter sales efforts. Stick around, and I'll also show you how to get an exclusive free trial to Apollo.io so you can try it out for yourself. First, let's dive right into lead scoring. At its core, Apollo.io's lead scoring feature is designed to help you prioritize your prospects based on how likely they are to convert. The beauty of it is, you don't need to spend hours manually sifting through hundreds of leads. Apollo's automated system scores leads based on different factors like demographic information, engagement level, and past interactions with your company. This means you're not only focusing on the highest value leads, but you're also saving precious time and resources. To set up your lead scoring, head over to the Apollo.io dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a lead scoring tab under the prospects section. Click on it, and you'll be able to set the parameters that matter most to your business. You can score leads based on various criteria, such as the company size, industry, job title, or even specific actions like email opens or clicks. Next, Apollo.io lets you customize the lead scoring algorithm to match your specific sales process. You can assign weights to certain behaviors. For example, if a lead downloads your ebook or clicks on your pricing page, you can give them a higher score. This helps you identify the leads who are showing strong intent, meaning you can reach out at just the right moment when they're most likely to engage. But here's the secret sauce. Apollo.io also uses machine learning to continuously improve its scoring system. As more leads interact with your campaigns, the algorithm learns and adapts. This means that over time, the system gets smarter and more accurate, helping you refine your targeting even further. If you're worried about integrating lead scoring into your existing workflow, don't be. Apollo.io offers seamless integration with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Once you've set your scoring rules, Apollo will automatically sync your high-scoring leads with your CRM, allowing your sales team to follow up efficiently without any manual input. You can also set up notifications so your team is instantly alerted when a lead hits a specific score threshold. This helps ensure that no hot lead slips through the cracks. It's like having a personal assistant that's always watching for opportunities. The power of Apollo.io's lead scoring lies not only in automation, but in how it enables data-driven decisions. Instead of guessing which leads are worth your time, you can let the system do the heavy lifting, giving you the confidence to focus your energy where it counts. And here's where it gets even better. If you're interested in giving Apollo.io a try, click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive extended free trial. This way, you can experiment with Apollo's lead scoring features and see firsthand how they can supercharge your sales efforts without spending a dime. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Apollo.io's lead scoring features to make smarter decisions and close more deals. Remember, it's not just about getting leads, it's about getting the right leads at the right time, and Apollo.io helps you do exactly that. So if you're ready to take your lead generation to the next level, click that link below for your free trial and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.